Now going to the next part of our session, we are going to have some live testimonials before we come out to our surprise Iki Hanka. So let us first invite CA Ranjini Rao from Bengaluru. She is very active daily. I think you see her in every session, be it a Zumba or yoga or Tabata. She's always active, posting her videos as well and motivating each one of us. And apart from that, she's also very active in the nutritionist group. I think we all now should go to Bangalore also to visit her to taste all the delicacies that she makes. So thank you so much for such a motivational post every day, Ranjini ji. And I would now request you to address all of us. Thank you.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, wonderful. First of all, thanks, Harit ji, for such a wonderful welcome for me. Yeah. Am I visible and I audible?
Yeah, absolutely. You can continue.
Yeah, okay. Movement 73 is, what do I say? No words, fantastic. I had least expected something like this of an online session, and it has really changed my life. Like, if we must all be aware of this rule 21/90. It is like, it is 21 days to form a habit and 90 days to make it as a permanent lifestyle change. And I think Movement 73 is something that is actually going in this direction. And I can see the visible changes in my own health. Like, this lockdown has actually taken a toll on all of us. And initially, because I'm by nature a fitness freak, and I could not do my activities in a normal way. And this platform, like, it actually provided me an excellent opportunity to stay on track. And I can see the improvement in my stamina, in my overall mental health, emotional health, flexibility. Amazing the way it has gone ahead. And not only that, it's like, morning it gives me some sort of excitement to come and look forward to something nice in a day. It's like 6 o'clock I'm awake and I'm like, I know something interesting is coming up, and by 10:15 I'm there. That 1 hour, it just sets the tone of the day. Whatever it is, it just sets the tone of the day, right? And so much of it, and it's not even that, like, there are days when you feel like, okay, chalo aaj chhod dete, aaj nahi karte, abhi kisi aur din kar lenge. And I just turn on the video, just the video on, and the moment I turn the video on, in 5 minutes I'm ready and I'm part of the group activity. So it's the amount of enthusiasm that this has created, this platform has created. It's like, even if you don't feel like initially doing, and you just watch the video, you will be in the crowd and doing and enjoying yourself. It's a visible thing. And during the day also, I can see the change in my lifestyle. Before, I used to be a bit, okay, chodo, let's have junk and all. But that first 1 hour in the day, it's like, the way it sets the day is that the whole day I'm more conscious of what I eat. What am I having? I plan my meals properly. I'm giving importance to my health. So especially as a CA professional, the amount of toll that our work also takes on us, this is a commendable job done by Ahmedabad branch. It is started by them. It's amazing. And the way all the branches of ICI, they've come across and they've come together to put this magnanimous event together. It's big kudos to you guys. And I'm so proud to be part of the CA fraternity for all this sake. So thanks a lot, Harit ji. Thanks a lot to all those working behind the scenes. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And I think you also mentioned about the mental health. And next Sunday, we are going to have a specific session also on the mental health. And a very, very famous doctor is going to join us for that. So thank you for your kind words. I would now request CA Pramod ji from Kerala. I think while we all see his post on a daily basis in our groups, it's very good to have him live with us. I would request, sir, if you can please address all of us. Yeah, Pramod ji.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Unfortunately, some problem with my video.
No problem, sir. No problem, sir. You can just continue, sir.
Yeah, some lighting issues there, I think. Okay, so anyway, I'll just so I thank Ahmedabad branch for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share some thoughts with all my colleagues. So it's actually a very fantastic initiative, 73 days fitness awareness program. So it's very wonderful. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm actually regularly working out for around past 25 years. So this is actually 25th year since I joined gym way back in 1995. So again, but since I joined this program, I've been really motivated to know that while I am working out, hundreds of my colleagues are also working out. and also some very positive things I have taken up from this Fit India movement, like this sugar-free thing. I was attracted to that, and I have actually I couldn't do sugar-free because I usually consume a lot of tea, but I made it papad-free. So everyone is astonished here. I used to consume 6 to 7 papads while having my afternoon lunch. But I was motivated by Fit India and just gave up my papad. Just took a decision. Now it's almost 3 weeks. I never touched a papad. Even while having biryani, my wife used to ask me, why at least with biryani you could have one papad. Yesterday only she asked. I know, no, not required. I'll just try it out. So I am now papad free. So that's the change it has made, and it has actually motivated me to that thought itself that hundreds of my colleagues are working out at this time. It has actually really motivated me, and it has helped me a lot. Of course, I thank Harit Dariwal sir for this very wonderful initiative. This is the first time I am seeing a chairman of a branch giving so much importance to fitness movement, and including all other branches also. So I really appreciate Ahmedabad branch, and also I congratulate each and every participant of this wonderful movement. And it has also helped me, and in fact my wife and daughter has also joined. My daughter has also joined Pathshala. She is enjoying its programs also. So it's actually, I think this is a very good role model kind of thing you have done, Harit sir. So I hope other branches will also take up, and always we CAs would be in that fitness group. So I really appreciate everyone. Thank you, sir. So unfortunately, I'm not able to on my video. Otherwise, I could have done that. Some lighting problem, it seems. Okay. Anyway, so I congratulate Ahmedabad branch. I wish everyone the very best, a very healthy, happy life. I wish every participant and also the committee members of Ahmedabad branch. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Pramodji. I think you had gone papad free. I think a lot of us have also gone sugar free till date. I think people are getting very, health conscious now, and that's what together we all can do it. Just coming up to the next participant, CA Jyoti Harsh. She's from Gurugram. She'll join us now. Jyoti, if you can please address all of us.
Hello. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. You're audible.
And even I'm not able to switch on my video. I really don't know why.
Just a minute. Jyoti, if you can please rename yourself. It's okay now?
No, I'm not able to switch on my video. There's some issue.
Okay, you can continue.
Yeah. I think I'll just. Yeah. So thank you so much for Harit ji for actually allowing me to give my experience and share my experience here on this platform. What I'll say is I've been someone who's very fond of getting into small dietary changes and changes in my diet. I'm really very guilty of not being able to take up physical exercise as much, but yes, what has happened is the Ahmedabad branch has motivated me. The way I see so many posts in the groups, I feel there's this sense of FOMO, the fear of missing out. Arey mujhse maine nahi kiya kind of thing. So it's wonderful. I do the recorded sessions. What has happened is I've taken up a little bit of dietary changes in my life. I fine-tuned my diet. The WhatsApp group that is being moderated by Archana ma'am is really, really wonderful. For each and every small doubt that every participant has, Archana ma'am is, impromptu reply from her is always there, and with such logic and with such clarity that I think each one of us in the group have the information, the detailing about what we are eating, how we are eating, and what is it that we should immediately stop, or the changes that we need to make. Very small fine-tuned changes, and yet such unimaginable results. At the same time, I feel this program is not just about having a fitness video in the morning, or a fitness session in the morning. That's it. It's a holistic program of having taking care of everything that is related to your health. So be it a physical exercise, be it mental well-being, be it because what I'm trying to share here is I've been struggling with this problem of insomnia since 10 months now. It's been more than 10 months. And I had a one-on-one talk with Dr. Urja. She called me, she understood my problem. I shared my problem with her, and the simplicity with which she understood it, and I just hope she's listening right now. Thank you so much, because she actually told me that I can deal with it. And to be very honest, I actually feeling the changes, because with the affirmations that she gave me, with the videos, that links that she shared with me, I'm already feeling yes, I can deal with this. I'm feeling better. I'm getting better day by day. So yeah, I mean, I was surprised when I fell asleep in the first 15-20 minutes of the link that I heard. So that was wonderful. I really like the dancercise, because I am a dance fan. Because of the lockdown, Kathak is not happening for me. But yes, dancercise and yoga, both these sessions I'm so fond of, and I do take them up. The recorded sessions, thank you so much. The BCA test, the fitness experts, Vijay ji spoke to me personally, and he motivated me for taking up a no salt diet. So I've done all the challenges except for the one eating before 6:30 or 7 in the evening, because that is I found it very difficult, that one. But I took up all the challenges. The most difficult one was no salt, but with his motivation I could do that as well. So it was fun. And I'm amazed at the massiveness of this program, because aisa nahi hai ki okay, so many people joining in. It's about everyone being connected to everyone. So Harit ji, I want to share this, because what happened once was like, Harit ji, I'm not able to get up in the morning, and he's like, मैं कल सुबह फोन करूं, मैं कल मैसेज करूं. I was like, really, chairman of the Ahmedabad branch, आप ये करें? नहीं, I'll get up on my own. So it felt a part of the family. It's like अकेली चली थी मैं, कारवा बन गया. It's like that. So I'm so fond of I'm so proud to be a part of this program. So really privileged. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. For a person like me who's actually misses out on so many WhatsApp messages, I make sure that I see each and every message that is posted on our fitness groups, just to make sure I'm not missing anything that I could have done. So Harit ji, I really thank you for this wonderful program, this initiative, and our alma mater, our ICAI, our institute is doing such wonderful initiative for all of us members. I just take this opportunity of thanking you on behalf of all the participants. So it's not just me, it's all of us. You gave me an opportunity, a platform, and I think I'll just take it, say thank you on behalf of all of us. So thank you so much. Thank you.